Hey there! I'm thrilled you've decided to join me on this exhilarating adventure into the realm of 10th-grade science. Are you ready to unravel the mysteries of DNA, dive deep into chemical reactions, and explore the forces that govern our universe? Let's get started. Imagine walking into your science class where every lesson is a new journey, every experiment a treasure trove of discoveries. Picture yourself, microscope in hand, peering into the very fabric of life or mixing substances that fizz and change colors before your eyes. It's not just about memorizing facts, it's about understanding the world in a way you've never seen before. Today we're not just learning science, we're living it. Whether it's observing the elegant dance of chromosomes during cell division or witnessing the explosive reactions in chemistry, every moment is an opportunity to ignite your curiosity and fuel your passion for learning. And let's not forget the thrilling world of physics. Ever wondered why roller coasters can loop the loop without falling, or how satellites stay in orbit? These aren't just theoretical questions, they're puzzles we can solve together with a bit of physics magic. My mission is to make science accessible and fun for everyone. Through engaging lessons and hands-on experiments, I'll guide you through each concept, ensuring you not only pass your exams with flying colors but also have a blast while doing it. So, are you with me? Join our community of budding scientists, share your experiments, and challenge your understanding. Let's transform the way you see science, turning doubt into knowledge and questions into exploration. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's embark on this journey to scientific mastery together. Science success is more than just a channel, it's a doorway to discovering the wonders of the universe. Stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, science